Thank you. No way. No way. That's... Whoa. How much is it?
$9.
Does it work?
I don't know. Where's the testing place in this?
We can just keep, you just keep going. There's another Pokemon. I might just keep this. It's like $5.
How high the company
Alright, hey everyone, it's Jeff here. So as you see, we have just found a VCR DVD combo. I've talked about these quite a few times. They're always usually a good pickup. They're easy to ship and they go for good money. Just make sure that when you're in the thrift store that you're plugging it in and making sure that the basic functions work, like the DVD tray. See if you can actually put a tape in and it doesn't get stuck, and that it turns on and all the buttons work, and you should be good to go.
What?
Come here.
Does it work?
Sounds like it.
I want to see if this, I should probably get a VHS too, right? Does the DVD tray work?
Yeah.
Just get it, it's fine, it's only $10.
Can you move out so I can put it on the back?
I don't know.
Looks homemade.
Looks creepy. Maybe it's not. Big Giant stuff is worth.
But it could still be worth something. This Tuchino is just like homemade looking.
Yeah, you're right. Probably.
Always right. Thank you. This is where I find IKEA stuff always.
Okay, let's see if you can find it then. At this place?
Yeah, there's always something from IKEA in here.
Ooh. Dang, that looks old.
Yeah, I'll look at that. American Red Cross. Old, is it? 2019. Is that old enough?
No.
Oh, wait. I told you too.
Oh my God.
There's always IKEA stuff in this section.
Is it worth it though? Do you think?
Yeah,
Why?
I just think so. Let's see.
It is?
There's none listed, but there's on Terra Peak. There's sold. So.
So just a little bit of a tip. Using Terapeak is another way to see items that sold past the 90-day window. Sometimes this is good in case you can't find that item within the 90 days, because that's what eBay shows under the sold comps. And so sometimes we use Terapeak to basically make sure that the item sold at one point, because we are able to wait longer than 90 days for the item to sell. So just keep that in mind. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.